Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will walk you through how you can make discounts in Shopify. So click on the discounts and then click on create a new discount. There are four different type of discount amount of on the products. So this discount will be applied on specific products or collection when you buy them. And then we have buy X and get Y. When you purchase any product and then you add another product into the cart, you will get the discount amount of on the orders. You will get the uh, discount on the total order amount, and the free shipping, you will get the free shipping if you create this discount. So let's try to create the first one, amount of on the products. Okay, here you can add the code. You can add the discount code by yourself, or you can generate random code. There are two type of discount codes. One is automatic and one is manual. So first we will try the manual one and then we will try the automatic. So let's generate the code. I can copy this code and save it somewhere. And next, the percentage value, the discount value. What will be the discount value? You would like to give the discount in percentage, or you would like to give the uh, fixed amount discount. So in this case, I will choose percentage and I will say 50% discount applies to specific product. You can select specific collection if you want, but in this case I will select specific product. Purchase type, what would be the purchase type? One time purchase, subscription, or both? I will select both, and from here I will select the product. So let's try this antique dryer product, and this discount will be applied, 50% discount will be applied on this product. Eligibility, so who will get this discount? All the customers, specific customer, or specific customer segment? You can select the specific customer if you like, or if you want to give to all the customer, you can select the all the customers. Minimum purchase, if there is a minimum amount of the purchase, you can set that. You can limit the discount, how many this discount can be used from here. And similarly, you can use this recurring payment for the subscription. If you have subscription, how many times they will get the discount? They will get the discount on every subscription, or you can limit that. Then finally we have the combination. If there are other discounts are being applied on the checkout, you can combine with them. Otherwise this discount will not be combined, so you can select all of them if you like, and then this discount code will be combined with the other discounts. Active dates, when you would like to start this discount immediately, and or you can select the any specific date. Then you can set the end date if you would like. You can set the end date when your discount is going to expire. So save this discount, and now this discount is created. We can test that. If I go to my store and search for that product, antique dryers, and right now the price of this product is $250. Okay, so it is loading. Okay, you can see the price is $250, and if I add this product into the cart, and you will see the price is $250 and the total is $250. And let's try to add the discount code which we created. If I apply this discount code, and now you can see the discount code is applied and we get the 50% discount, and the new price is $150. So this is how you can create discount. And now let's delete this discount for the moment and create another one for automatic discounts. So create a new discount, and this time we will create automatic discount. We can name it antique dryer discounts, and this time we will select fixed amount. Let's say we would like to give 100 USD discount on this product. We can select this product from here and add this over here, and we will leave the other option as it is. So now our automatic discount is created, and if I go here and if I try to add the product into the cart this time, you will see we get the discount over here, automatic discount. So let me just delete this and add the product again, and you can see we have 100 off on this discount. And if I go to the checkout, you will see antique dryer discount is being applied minus 100. And similarly, you can create the shipping discounts. You can go to the create free shipping if you would like to give the free shipping, automatic free shipping, which country you would like to give the shipping, selected countries or all the countries, one time purchase, and you can set the eligibility who will get this uh, uh, free shipping, and you can give the title automatic, you can give the free shipping, and you can exclude the shipping rate over the certain amount from, you can check this, otherwise you can leave it blank, and you can create this free shipping discount, and this shipping automatically uh, uh, will be added whenever you have the shipping prices in the order, that will be automatically removed. And this is how you can make the free shipping discount. Similarly, you can create another discounts amount of on the order, automatic discount, and how much you would like to give the discount on the total order. Let's say the fixed amount I can give $200 order discount, and I can combine this with the other ones, free shipping and etc. And similarly, for the first discount, let's combine this as well. And now if I go to the website and try to add another product, and this time my total is 2200, and if I increase the price as well, the quantity as well, and go to the checkout, now you will see I have an order discount as well as this discount, and from the total order I get the another discount, and these two discounts are combined with each other. And if we have any shipping, that will be also applied over here, and the you will get the free shipping, and you can combine three discount with each other. So I hope this video makes sense to you. Please like my video and share my videos. I'm working really hard, and if we please also subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please uh, let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.